A technology called biomining, where metals are isolated with the help of microorganisms, has been used by humans for hundreds of years since antiquity. Although it was industrialized in the 1960s, it remained in a niche role, being feasible only for copper and gold, but not for many other metals. Also, this legacy technology was a very time-consuming process, making it difficult to compete with pyro and hydrometallurgy. Yet, the lower OPEX and CAPEX for biomining and good social acceptance due to environment-friendly nature assured continuing interest towards using microorganisms to extract metals from ores and wastes. Welcome to the Biomining Center of BiotaTec, an Estonian company developing and licensing next-generation bioextraction technologies. We in BiotaTec are relying on recent advances in microbiology to adapt the next-generation bioleaching technological steps to meet the specific needs of our customer. Our roster of targeted materials is no longer confined to copper and gold ores anymore, and it includes a long list of materials with different chemical complexes. We have increased the speed of metal extraction to a few weeks or days, in some cases to just a few hours only. Due to this, we have been able to develop economically feasible techniques for targeting mining and technology waste streams, allowing us to process materials that are too low-grade for conventional methods. Processing billions of tons of materials, such as bauxite residue and phosphogypsum, unlocks vast reservoirs of critical raw materials like rare earth elements, vanadium, nickel, phosphorus, and so on, helping to diversify the sources and alleviating the dependence on oligopolistic market. We can also extract precious metals from hard-to-process electronic waste in as little as a few days, offsetting the dependence on unfriendly countries. Our fleet of custom-built pilot-size reactors and heap-leaching pilot equipment ensures rapid upscaling and precise CAPEX and OPEX calculations. BiotaTec is transforming the future of metal extraction, faster, cleaner, and more efficiently. By merging science and innovation, we are paving the way toward a more sustainable and resource-independent future.